Well, it's been a while since we've broken the internet with the 22 Tundra. Figured it's time we do it again. So now I present to you the first ever that I know of in the world front-end converted 2023 third generation Toyota Tundra. This is a Sequoia front end on a 2023 limited TRD off-road Lunar Rock Toyota Tundra. We're missing the flare light and this piece from back order, so don't mind that, but this is with the TRD Pro flare on here to give you kind of an idea visually. And this is with the OEM limited flare on here to give you an idea of what that looks like. For many of you who saw when this front end was released after the 22 Tundra and thought, man, I like that front end better. We are going to be putting this entire kit on our website that we're launching in about 3.5-4 weeks. We've been building it for the last almost 3 months now. It'll be on the website, all OEM parts, so that you can convert the front end of your 2022 and newer Toyota Tundra to the Sequoia front end. Park sensors, camera, Toyota Safety Sense. This even has the grill louvers or shroud, whatever. Those things are dumb either way, but how about that? I think this is the way it should come from the factory. Toyota, you're welcome. Make this the 2024 Tundra. You should do this. But now it's time for some armor. Bumper, sliders, rear bumper, rack, skids, more stuff to come. You guys can come see this truck in person at More Expo. We'll have this along with 6 other rigs there. You don't want to miss out. See this thing in person. But if you're interested in front end conversion, shoot us a message. Again, all OEM parts. None of this is aftermarket stuff. This is all OEM. And surprisingly really inexpensive and fairly straightforward to do. I'm just so stoked with how it turned out. It's the way it should have been from the factory. I love it. Here's a comparison for everybody. Second gen Sequoia front end on an actual second gen. Third gen Sequoia front end on a Tundra. I've been getting loads of messages. So yes, we will be compiling, I've already compiled a parts number list, but it'll be getting added to our website. Our website's launching, we're hoping for early, mid-February at the latest. Almost all of it's done, but what you can get, you can select, if you want to just retain your factory flares, you can do that, but you can do the TRD Pro flares if you want. We didn't put these in here because this is going to be getting cut either way, but then, you know, this is a new piece, obviously, this is a new piece, this is a new piece, this new piece. There's some substructure components that are, this is the factory camera, factory TSS sensor. And so you can kind of do it however you'd like. If you're planning on doing, let's say, like a covert bumper, say for like the one that CBI has available right now, or if you're planning on doing a full plate bumper, as those start to come to market, you can honestly purchase less parts. So we can kind of a la carte it for you depending on what your intended build plan is for the vehicle. But if you just want straight OEM, you want the grill piece that goes in there, you want the lower bumper piece so all your park sensors can go in there with your fog lights and everything. We've got the list for all of that. So let us know. You can get There's a couple different companies now that are making light bar kits, so we'd recommend not going with the OEM on this one, something like Baja or Diodynamics or Heretic. Same goes for these little guys here. But front end conversion. This has a lot more to go after this. This is 37s with the new Method 707s. We've got power brakes, Icon CDC suspension. Sorry, I think I'm coming down with a cold. It's a bummer. And in the rear as well, we've got Dobinson springs, and we've got our bracket right there. The back end, I'm excited to be putting rear bumper on this here pretty soon. And then we've got something that's going here. It's something that you haven't seen before at our shop. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be exciting. Very, 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 very exciting. Sliders, and then of course our skids will be going underneath of here. The skids, we are doing a revision. It's actually done. And we also are going to be having an aluminum option. So we are going to be throwing a prototype aluminums on this one, trying those out before we kick them over to production run. So I'm really, really excited about those. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted on all the new things. But I honestly kind of just can't stop looking at it. This is just how it should have come from the factory. It really is. You know, those two looking pretty good side by side.